Hi, Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we are. This is an Ultima pulley belt, sprocket, whatever you want to call it. Okay, this particular item, as you can see, CNC, beautiful, matches your super spoke wheels or your mammoth or your fat spokes. This also allows this pulley to fit the earlier bikes. This is for your late 2000 ups. This is for your earlier bikes with the smaller boss sticking out. Okay, as you can see, beautifully made, all CNC machined. A very, very cool bit of kit. This particular one, 1/8 by 72, or I believe it's 72. If not, you know, we can get whatever size you want, 20mm up to 1.5, like the old bikes were. We do actually do the 2-inch pulleys as well. If you've got a real powerful bike, we do a 2-inch belt. That's for your sort of 150 plus horsepower bikes. But if you want like a drag race quality belt kit, we do one. Very expensive, but we do it. So as you can see here, all this chrome plated makes it last longer as well. The biggest problem with the Harley pulleys is you've got a massive issue where they all start to corrode and then start ripping the belt. Now I don't know if you know, but to do the belt is a massive job. You're looking way over £1,000 with the labour to replace the belt. Now if you put a decent pulley on like this in the first place, you shouldn't have a problem where you've got to replace the belt at all. You know, the belts generally last forever until they start getting pits in them all knackered. So if you're interested, give us a bell. We do also performance machine, lots of other makes as well. 01773835566, alternatively www.customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu. Thank you.